See if we can find a dark spot. Oh, need a dark spot. How about? Yes, a dark spot to show off the night vision. If the night vision was on. There we go. Yeah. Good view of my attic there. Okay. Oh, I guess we know that works. Let's see. Controls and screens and everything. Manual and autofocus on the side here. Good battery. Batteries holds a pretty good charge, considering not exactly the newest thing on the earth. Standby on the back. Lens cover. Oh, there it is. Lens cover. And owner's manual. You get a couple tapes on an empty tape case. Audio and video cords go right in the side of the camera. Power cord for the charger. A bag. And that's it. Happy bidding.